Listening, Unit 11, page 140D.
Look at the 6 sentences. You will hear 2 friends, a boy, Robin, and a girl, Anna, talking about a school trip abroad. Decide if each sentence is correct or incorrect. Write T, true, or F, false.
Hi, Anna. I haven't seen you for some time. Where have you been?
Didn't I tell you? My class went on a school trip to France last month. I've been practicing my French a lot, so I hope I'm going to pass the next exam we have.
Lucky you. My school isn't organising anything this year, but we'll definitely go on an exchange programme to Greece next year. That's what my teacher told us anyway. So how was the trip?
It was pretty good. We all stayed with a different French family, with a girl or boy the same age as us. And we went to their school, or did different activities with the class and the family at weekends.
Sounds great. What was the family like?
They were really friendly, and the girl my age, Chantal, was pretty cool. She likes the same kind of music and clothes as me, so we just shared our stuff while I was there. At first, I felt a bit shy and embarrassed because my French wasn't that good, and I found it difficult to communicate with everyone. But I soon got better at speaking it, and everything became easier.
That's normal, isn't it? It's great you had to speak and listen all the time. My teacher says that's the best way to learn a language. So, did you visit any nice places or do anything interesting?
We did. One weekend, I went skiing with my host family and Chantal. I've never been skiing before, so it was quite hard. But by Sunday, I could get up every time I fell over and start again. Oh, and we went to Paris, of course. It's such a beautiful city, but it's got so much to see. It's almost too amazing. We needed to stay for 3 days to really see everything, but we only had a Saturday and Sunday.
Wow, it all sounds fantastic. So you didn't miss home then?
Well, it wasn't easy to adapt to the food and eating times there. They eat later in the day than we do, and I was really hungry sometimes, especially at 12, when we normally have lunch. And I miss my little sister, and all my friends, like you, of course.
Yeah, right. Well, I hope we get a school trip now I know about yours.